Guys, welcome to YouTube channel. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel we'll be talking about forex trading. I will teach you how to read charts using price action. I will also show you how to pass proper challenges and how to use proper risk management. And today let's check on GBPJPY, and I will tell you what to expect on the course of the week. Below, it's a chart for GBPJPY. We can see the trend was on an up, so we'll try not to go against the trend. How do we identify an uptrend? This is how an uptrend looks like. Price moves up and it moves down. It moves up again, it moves down. It tests the previous high. It moves up, it moves down. It moves up. Price retests the previous lows. These are lows. These are low. This is high, a low, a high, a low, a high, a low, a high, and the story continues. As a price action trader, you should always make entries at the resistance and exit at the support. On such an example, this is a resistance that turns out to be a support after being broken. I'm hoping you get. As I post, I will show you the other two types of market movement. That's consolidation and a down trend. So without further ado, let's continue with today's analysis. Let me delete this. Instead, we are looking at GBPJPY. It's one of the best pairs that I have to trade, and they have a good volatility, so it's easy to make good amount of money within a short period of time. So we'll start from the daily. Looking from the previous data, we use the previous data in order to predict the future of these charts. So we can see it's on an uptrend, so we should look for buys, not sales. You can look, price was moving high, getting high, a low, creating a high, a low, and the story continues. So we are interested in the current movement. One thing you should do is to plot the current resistance, which is here. Price never broke that low. If at all price broke this low, could now be on a bearish trend. But now, because it rejected that zone several times, we are still on an uptrend. So what's important is to understand how price approached this resistance. So price broke that resistance, it became a support. Price then tried again to break this resistance, it rejected. Then price came down, we tested the resistance, but did not break. So without further ado, let's scale down to 4H to have a clear picture view of what is happening. From looking, I can see a trend line. A trend line helps us follow the trend we traders try to follow the trend. We don't tend to go against the trend. That's catching a falling knife, and does not go well. Then when you realize have caught a falling knife, it's better to get out. So that's the trend line that we can see. Price broke. Immediately price broke the resistance. We need to be sure that it's true. The buyers are back on this trend, so we must wait for a retest. We got the previous resistance. Price could reverse. Well, this is the first resistance. This is also a very good resistance. So as a price action trader, you should watch this zone for rejections and bullish momentum candle for price to start buying. I'm hoping you understand it. As price gets back there, it will bounce back up. And this is the previous high. That's where price will tend to hold. So immediately price gets back there, observe the reaction, and then make your entries. You make something. As time goes, I will teach you how to make entries. For now, let's buy GBPJPY. Once it gets to 180.643,